Well, we're out coyote hunting. No idea if we'll see something. I'm here with my father-in-law. Todo armado. We're ready to go. We're just going up this hill here, and we're probably going to call once we get up top or near the top. We saw some deer. That's cool. Actually seen quite a few. 40 or so far. Should be a good spot. It's been raining quite a bit, but I think we're good for at least until 10 o'clock that it's not supposed to rain. We're up in Strawberry Reservoir. This is where I went deer hunting last year. I'll be elk hunting a little bit further up to Deshane in October. But for now, we're looking for coyotes. Well, first stand didn't work out. Nothing came in. There are storms coming soon. We're just moving up. I wanted to see if I can find the elk, because I could hear them. It sounds like they're over the mountainside here. I wanted to see if I could see them. You could hear them bugling, and a female too, yodel, or doing its little call as well. It's a nice morning. Oh, we're heading out. I mean, it looks like a pretty nice day, but as you turn around, there's some really dark clouds coming. And the weather report said it was going to rain around 10 o'clock. It's currently getting close to 9-ish, but I don't know, it's getting windy, and I'm more afraid of driving down this mountain with the muddy roads and rain causing my car to slide. It's probably already going to slide when I'm going down as is, but that's what I'm afraid of. So we're just getting out of here now. We were only able to do one set. Still got to get out into the wilderness. It's nice. We got to hear the elk bugling. And we did shoot the 22. Just shot the tree. Had some shooting with that. That's always fun. Hopefully I can do another one of these with coyote or fox coming in. It's just really hard today, I think, because it's windy. it's been windy with the storm coming, and the trees are shaking and stuff, and I'm assuming it's probably dissipating a lot of the sound from the electric call. But we're just heading back now. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I'll have something coming down the pipe soon. I'll have more time as well. And winter should be here soon because it's already mid-September. We got up to about here in the car. We're in a Camry Toyota, but it got all rocky, and so we ended up having to hike a little bit. Not too much though. But I don't know if you can see the storm. It's coming in. It's getting dark. Like huge clouds. Dark clouds. So I'm gonna get out of here. It's supposed to have a flood warning here, so it's a really good reason to get out before it gets bad. At least we got a few hours in the morning though. Yeah, so it rained last night until I think about 6 o'clock here, and then it was just kind of sprinkly when we came in, and then when we got up here it was fine, and now we're having another storm come in. Car's right there. Anyhow, we're gonna get out of here. See you guys. Oh, got out at the right time. Rain's coming harder. Anyhow, oh, there was some lightning. Well, until next time.